Hey guys, welcome back. So, this is a new style of filming. As you can see, I have my lapel microphone, and, well, it works for if I talk towards the camera when I'm working in the garage, but right now, it's a lapel microphone. So I finally got this in the mail. I've been waiting for this for months. It is a lithium-ion. Oh, what is it? Okay, so works for 18650s, works for nickel metal hydride, lithium-ion, Li-Fi, and Li-ion with 3.8 volts. So, sorry. There we go. So the reason I bought this, I got this off Banggood for really cheap because I group bought it, so it was only $10. Originally $25, so that's nice. But one of the main reasons I bought it was because I could do 4 at a time because I've been stuck with. Okay, so this you can do 4 at 500 milliamps apiece, 3 at 700 milliamps apiece, 2 at 1,000, and 1 at 2,000 milliamps apiece, which is really nice, unlike this one. So, see, I could change the modes, so even if I did 1, I could do it at 500 milliamps. This one, I'm just stuck at whatever I want. And also, the charging indicator sucks dick. So, here's what happens. You plug it in. Okay? Plug this one in. 2 blue lights drop, and you put a battery in. Okay, that one might be a little dead. Okay, or this thing's broken. Oh, there it is. It turns white. That does not look white to me, it looks purplish. But, whatever. Also, it'll go from white to blue when it's done. It worked okay for as long as I owned it. That one was also $10. So as you can see, this one also does nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, lithium ions. So, but that one's just you plug it in, it's done. No control. This one, it comes with this manual and has a black cord. Of course, I lose it before I can show. Anyway, it's not very long. It's like this long, so that's why I got the blue cord plugged in. So you could charge 4 at once, or as you can see in this one, it says USB output. So if I wanted to, which I'm definitely going to, so this one's dead. I need to charge that one. As you can see. Wow, this is just not working. Okay, gotta put it in. Maybe that one's dead. I really thought these were more charged. I got 2 of my gray ones. Here we go. So I can put those in. There we go. It's at 100%. I can plug in a USB to charge. You know, it'd be ironic if I could charge other stuff. Anyway. I can charge my phone, or this GoPro now, or other stuff like that. So, I'm going to plug it in this way. So they all turn on. Set at 500 milliamps. We're going to set that to, hold it down, 700, 1,000 milliamps. We're going to plug this one in. And we're going to plug this one in. See, then they start charging. Now, what's really nice about, okay, see? It moved from 1,000 to 700 because these draw more amperage at a higher. It's okay. So basically, it understands. See, it understands that it needs to be at a lower charge rate than what I specified, which is really nice. I do like that a lot. Here, let me adjust the camera. There we go. So, see, it already moved down. So what if I move it back up? Is that 700 now? See, stays there. It's a really nice charger, actually, even for it being China, unlike this one. So this one, it worked, but this one I like better. So I'm gonna plug it into my 2.1 amp hour. I have a USB strip over there, so I can plug this one and this one in. This one's just gonna be to keep. See, 100%. I bet they just need to be topped off. So I could use this to trickle charge stuff, because I'll put this on a 1 amp side. I'll put this on the 2 amp side. If I unplug this, that, no. I think I need to redo these batteries. Okay. There we go. Let's put these ones in. Okay. Plug it in. I really like that. I like the blue indicators, because with this other one, I just charged up and then it would tell me. Or if I did these individually with my LiitoKala balance charger, it would give me a milliamps rating. This doesn't give me a milliamps rating, but it does give me a nice charge level, because it understands it's a 3.7 or 3.6 volt lithium ion, so that's nice. And it doesn't make a lot of high-pitched noises. You might hear it on this microphone better. But I don't think it's, for me, it's not that bad. So, other than that, I really like it. But, let's look at this so you can see nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, lithium ion. Oh, it's just different charge. Lifey USB output, so it's only 1 amp on the output, which isn't terrible, but it is what it is. Sorry about the camera trip, I'm just trying. So battle batteries, so I'm doing 18650s. You can go down to 14 500s, which is nice. 26 650s, that'd be nice. So it's got a soft start function, output charge phone, identifies its own battery. You know, for how much this was, I might get 5 more. But that's only when I have bulk batteries at the moment. Right now I really don't have any, but yeah, I really do. I do like it. I do like how I can change the modes. And oh wow, I didn't know what that did that for. But I held it down. Oh, my charger's touchy. That's what it is. Okay. If I hold it down, 700. Yeah, it just auto-detected it. It only needs 500, so that's nice. Alright. Boom. Yeah, so, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Especially with this new camera.